So one of the best ways to fight cold and cough is to keep hydrated, especially with hot water or warm water. But I use soup a lot. So here I want to make potato soup, and I just wanted to share with you. I have a quarter cup of blended garlic, shredded garlic, ginger, pepper, and yeah, guys. So I have garlic, ginger, onion, and pepper all shredded with a cube that's going to be poured into the pot of potato. I'm using Kem's pepper soup and masala spice. It came out really beautiful because I really needed it spicy. I'm also using parsley, dried parsley, because that's what I had. But you can use any fresh, aromatic, and spicy vegetable. Guys, give Kem's Meals and Spices a trial of any of her spices and you would love it. So basically, once everything is in the pot now, the next thing to do is to pour hot water into the pot and allow the ingredients to just cook together. Basically, there's no need for oil in this recipe. You just need a lot of water and all your spices covered and cooked properly. So once it's cooked, I have my protein and some more vegetables in form of bell peppers, colored bell pepper, for more nutrition and basically flavor. So just pour it in and allow it to simmer for a bit, and the soup is ready. It's really a very simple recipe, but just make sure there's sufficient water. And when you finish the potato in the water, as a tip, you can just recreate another soup, which I did at the ending of the video. I recreated oat porridge and it was really good. So there you go. You can always be more creative with your soup and enjoy it. Ooh, just what I need for the cold and what you need too, because I'm cold. Make some soup, yam soup, potato soup, any kind of soup would do it. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Thank you so much. No oil, just herbs, spices, water, pepper, and vegetable. Oat porridge, spice, herbs, water, oats, still no oil.